Good morning, everybody. Evening, afternoon, wherever you might be. Come check out these cacaos trees real quick. I got 3 of them in the garden. Last year I got some cacaos. I was able to raise the trees. Yeah, it was really nice. I was able to bring a couple of really small ones in and just have them in pots for a while, do their thing, and then put them out last rainy season when the rain started. It's almost been a year out there. We're getting close to it. Here, my pineapples are almost ready. This one is almost ready for sure. And this one over here needs some time. And then I got one right here. This is coming up. Beautiful, pretty flowers on there. Check that out. That's pretty cool. And also we have the cranberry hibiscus coming back. You can see it's right here. And so it's going to take up this whole area. It's a grower. And it produces got some yucca going on here. There's all the yucca thrown to the side after we harvested the yucca. It just decided to grow for me again, so it's going to be pretty easy. I'll take you back here into the greenhouse. So I got guys coming. Well, one guy actually, and he's an expert working with bamboo. He's built a bunch of these with bamboo and stuff, so he's going to come help me out next week, and we're going to get the roof on. As you can see, yucca's really getting big up back here. I've just got my I got my system over here right now for lettuces. Just threw a couple in there, and back here we're getting ready. We're going to start getting ready to take some cuts. I got all the eggplants out of there, most of them. Ginger from last year, my ginger harvest. I'm going to go ahead and soak them a little bit, and I'm going to put them back into the field. And so I'm going to just have a really giant harvest next year of ginger. And they come into the greenhouse. You see, we still got some carrots. Got some stuff coming over here in the corner, and my roof is just falling down on me. And I've been harvesting the peppers, the jalapeno peppers, and the banana peppers. And check out my Instagram. I've been smoking them and been doing all kinds of stuff with them. It's been great. And jalapeno is still going. I still have green beans. Getting another harvest every Monday is harvest day. I come in and take what I can every Monday. Just keep everything alive until then. Keep producing. I got me some toxic. All the heads of the jalapenos and stuff. Making a, oh my goodness, so strong. Making an insecticide, natural insecticide. Yeah, all these eggplants are gone. All out of here. Onions. Taking a lot of onions out of here. And they just keep coming. And I take all the little ones out, the ones that aren't growing. But then look at this size of this one. Look at that big boy right there. I got a couple nice ones like that over here too. And I got a couple red ones mixed in too, which is nice. So we still have peppers. Taking most of the eggplants out, but we still have some nice peppers here, as you can see. And yeah, gonna take cuts off of this one right here. And because this one produced the best shape of the eggplant, so I take cuts off of that, put them in 5-gallon buckets and just 5-gallon pots, and then just kind of go from there. The 5-gallon pots, and just kind of like put them over here in this area over here. And so they still got some eggplants on them, so I haven't taken them down until they grow out a little bit more, get a little bit bigger, a little bit nicer. I'll probably take them down either this Monday or the following Monday. We'll see how it goes, because we're gonna do the roof. And so when we do the roof, if they gotta come down, they gotta come down. Not a big deal. This thing is amazing. This came from nothing. It came from a pot that was sitting over here on the side, and it just started growing up. It's kind of similar to what this is doing over here. Kind of similar. And you know, from a couple videos ago, a couple vlogs ago, I showed you that, but just look at it now. Cherry tomatoes is what this is. And if you want me to zoom in, I'll show you what we got going on. Just, oh my goodness, look at this. Now my buddy Randy, he loves the cherry tomatoes from here, so I most likely save a bunch of them for him. but they're just popping up everywhere, everywhere. And what am I gonna do with this thing? I gotta move it, I gotta get it out. So it's kind of mobile. And then eventually I'm gonna put it in this right here. Hopefully if I can, because it might be too big. I might just have to leave it like it is and then put this little one, small ones in there. And I want to get 2 cherry tomatoes in here and 2 big tomatoes. We'll see, 2 beef eaters. We'll see what happens with that. And then everything else is gone. As you can see, there's nothing left. So that's it. We're gonna do some repair work. Got stuff going on. It's gonna help me do some stuff with the dragon fruits that I got going on over there and whatnot. So I got my dog's barking at somebody over there. It is, he's doing his job. And that's pretty much it. This is gonna be a quick video, guys. I got nothing else going. Oh, well, I guess I could show you the papaya. We've always kind of, let's go through here. I got some pots ready, 5 gallons. I just gotta fill them up and get going. Rainy season is in about a month. Rainy season starts up again, so I like to have a lot of things going on before rainy season, and I can just float into it. But as you can see, my papaya is growing papayas. That looks like it could be the female. I'm not totally, what do you call it, sold yet. I got my guy coming in. He knows a lot about that stuff, so he'll see what's going on. The avocado tree is nice and big avocado tree here. I get all that yucca out from underneath it. I replant it over here, and then we got some work to do over here. So thanks again, guys, for watching. I do appreciate you. It's Bombi coming at you. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the little bell too. I don't release everything. I don't release videos all day, every day. I got a life. I got wife and kids and stuff like that, so I got to take care of all that first, you know. But if you hit that little bell, that when you subscribe and you hit that little bell, it'll shoot this video out to you when I do it. I do it about once every 2 weeks, just to give you a quick update. Next video I got planned is when we get the roof all done out here. So, and that's the chicken coop. I got 3 chickens that lay eggs. They're out and about right now. I don't know exactly where they might be. We'll go hunt for them. I don't know, they have the whole free range over there. And so, oh, and my broccolis too. Almost forgot. I'm keeping them going. They're getting eaten up. The grasshoppers love them. But I'm not giving up on them. Let's just say all I gotta do is keep them out here under the canopy and keep them cool, and I don't have to do too much. Just keep them watered. Then see what happens, and we'll see what happens. So thanks again, guys. Like I said, try to keep this cut short for you. Don't really know what the heck the dog's barking at. Neighbors probably. It's just the way he is. Chewy, come here. He won't even listen to me now. Come here, Chewy. Come. Here he comes. To check you guys out. Here he is. We're doing walking and training and all kinds of stuff. Good boy. Sit. Sit. I keep him out of here. He go digging stuff. So, oh, say hi for the camera. All right, guys. Have a good one. Thanks again.